Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we're making guacamole. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-measured ingredients to cook this recipe at home. In a bowl, mix together the avocados, lime juice and salt. Try not to overwork it as you want the avocado to keep some of its texture. Add in the tomatoes, coriander, onion, garlic and cayenne pepper. Give it another gentle mix and put the guacamole in the fridge for at least an hour before serving. It's so quick to prepare, but the difference homemade guacamole makes is huge. Eating generous scoops of tortilla chips is delicious. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.